Today we'll be previewing yet another beautiful C10 here at AutoWorld of Conway. And I think you'll find that this truck is easy on the eyes and even more fun to drive. It's a 68 model, lacks the marker lights in the front fenders. This blue and white truck came to us from Oklahoma, and it's ready for its next caretaker. You see brand new 20-inch US mag wheels front and rear. Now obviously this truck's been lowered. I think it sits just right. How about you? Nice clean drip rails. We've got quite a few of these C10s over the years. This probably one of my favorite color combinations. But then again, I'm a fan of blue. Wooden bed. And inside, you can see someone spent some time on this truck. Got a lot of new items. It's got a 700 R4 automatic on the column. The deluxe door panels. And that seat, to me, appears to be brand new also. I like buying trucks from the Midwest and the West because of how clean they typically are. So it's not perfect. You can see some marks in the stainless down the side, both sides. And the paint looks good. I think it would polish up just a little bit better. Take a look under the hood here. The body's pretty straight. See if I can do this here with one hand. There we go. And very presentable engine compartment. The 350 with the finned aluminum valve covers. Power steering, power disc brakes. You know, that looks pretty recent. Classic performance booster. 4-barrel carburetor. Air gap intake, HEI electronic ignition. And a serpentine belt set up. Now the interesting thing, the customer we purchased this from, they were unable to acquire a condenser for the air conditioning. So they explained to me that everything else is done. So you've got the compressor mounted, looks like the wiring has been completed. There you see the two lines, the high pressure, low pressure line. So it looks like you've got just the condenser and the orifice tube yet to install, which we have the orifice tube. But at this point, we're not going to finish the install. But again, they say all the components are there and everything that we have will come with the truck. 5-lug conversion. See here, it rains a little bit of water. system started up for us here. Right here is actually a radio there, in addition to this classic auto stereo. Looks like we want to start to get some fuel while we're at it. Plenty of oil pressure. And you see a temp gauge down there. Let's go for a ride. This indicator is off by a couple of teeth. I suspect that has everything to do with the overdrive transmission, as we've seen that in the past. Chevrolet C10.